What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics. And today is actually Tuesday, and guess what? It's New Comic Book Day tomorrow, and I actually have my pickups that just came in the mail from TFAW, Things from Another World, for 6/26, 2019, and I would like to announce the return of the green screen. Excuse me if the lighting's not too great, and I actually got to smooth out the green screen behind me, but I'm kind of in a time crunch. So without further ado, let's see what I got.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Let's see what I got. So, starting off with Mighty Morphin Power Rangers number 40. This is the foil edition. I think it's pretty badass. This doesn't really do it any justice, but yeah, I love it. It's great. I love it. It's great. Let me go ahead and move this camera back just a little bit and adjust it. Excuse me. Yeah, I'll do better. I will do better next time. So we got 39, 38, and 37. I was just playing catch up. I had to get all of them, and I really actually dug these variants right here. Alright, I got Fantastic Four number 11. That's the Bloody Symbiote edition. Yeah, I paid $6, but got 15% off of that, so it's almost cover price. So that's cool. When I got those Power Rangers, I also got this because, you know, I had to jump on the bandwagon for Marvel Comics Presents. I got the rest of them coming in the mail. Don't ask me how much I paid. Don't worry, I didn't pay $75 for first appearance of, you know what, that's a spoiler. You might not want to know about first appearances, but yeah. So there you go. So check it out. My favorite cover for DC. I got Superman Action Comics number 1012. They're just chugging along. I can't believe they've only had like one a month. No, it's been 2 a month, but it feels like those haven't been coming out as fast as they should have. That cover is so sweet. What do you guys think? And then I got this one, no backboard, unfortunately, but I can't wait to read this one. Check it out. On the back it says "The End Is Here." Got Batman Damned, DC Black Label, book number 3. And then now, I thought like they were like taking their sweet ass time with these Black Label books, but now they got all the other ones coming out, and I can't wait. I really love these covers. They're dark, and I love it. Alright, one more for DC. I got Detective Comics number 1006. I thought at one point the Detective Comics and the Action Comics were like close to each other in numbering, but guess not. This is my favorite cover for of the two. I actually can't remember what the other cover was, but that's because this one like drew my attention. Now let's go ahead. Oh, before I go to Marvel, I wanted to show you my favorite read of the week. It's actually the only one. No, I read Major X, but Dark Red number 4. What a great read. Tim Seeley is killing it. I'm glad I have this one on my pull list. It's pretty badass. Aftershock. I got too many Marvel books though to be getting into the independents. Conan the Barbarian number 7. Fantastic Four number 11. I can't remember who did this cover, but yeah, I grabbed that one knowing that there was a Bloody Symbiote version of 11, and I didn't want a chance not getting that one. Plus, this one's my favorite one. Look at Galactus on there. These Marvel's 25th anniversary covers are pretty awesome. Alright, so I lied. I have one more DC Vertigo. I heard a rumor that DC Vertigo is going away, which is kind of crazy because they have that movie for that movie with the girl from Handmaid's Tale, and damn, I can't remember, the kitchen, and it has that DC Vertigo label attached to it. So I'm kind of wondering why they're doing away with the DC Vertigo. I know they're going Black Label exclusively, but why did they decide to attach Vertigo to a movie? So are they going to make it just a movie label or what? I don't know. Major X number 6. I'm actually going to see Liefeld here in a couple days. Can't wait. I guess these are all out of order. I thought I had them separated by company. But yeah, Spawn number 298. I'm not really a fan of the Virgin covers. I like trade, and that goes for anything. And I love this cover just because it pays homage to Spidey, Amazing Spidey 298. And those weren't Virgins. Superior Spider-Man number 8. I was going to take this off my pull, but it's a War of the Realms tie-in, and who knows, I might end up just keeping it. But I definitely need to slow down. I'm running out of space. One day I'll give you a tour of the room, but yeah, it's getting to be a little bit too much. This one, I kind of regret not getting the Spider-Verse variant cover, but I got Spider-Man Annual number 1, also known as Peter Porker the Spectacular Spider-Ham. And this is the Ron Lim variant. I love it. Thanos number 3. I'm going to read this one right after I start uploading. I can't wait. I just watched Endgame in theaters again, and that whole Gamora Thanos thing, I love it. Hopefully they go back and maybe do a movie for Gamora, just Gamora, and do a backstory. That way we could have a reason to see Thanos back on the big screen. Thor number 14, first appearance of the Venom sword, and man, check out how menacing Venom looks. I love it. This is the Young Guns variant for War of the Realms number 6. I kind of wanted to get the Deodato variant after the fact when I saw it, but this was actually my favorite cover when I was looking through the thumbnails on TFAW, which, by the way, I'm going to start doing previews for a new LCS. Okay. War of the Realms, New Agents of Atlas. I like the cover, but it looks like Braun, it looks kind of corny on this. So I don't know. Hopefully it pans out and he does some big things, because I got a bunch of those Champion 22s. First appearance Braun, or Cho as Braun. War of the Realms, The Punisher number 3. War of the Realms, Uncanny X-Men number 3. I haven't read these yet. Man, look at that Maddox. That multiple man. And finally, the last one that I got for the week, I got Category 0 number 2. I really enjoyed number 1. Can't wait to read this one. So yeah, that's all I got. My new pulls for New Comics of the Day are going to be delayed for the next few weeks, but I can't wait to start getting them the day of, so I can start doing the videos regularly again. But until then, I'm just going to be taking it easy. I don't know how many videos I'm going to release this week. You got 4th of July coming up, and just want to spend some time binge watching shows, because I'm on school break. So that's all I got. Thank you for being here. This is High Road Comics, and I'll see you at the next stop.